Hi, I'm Hazel. For anyone who doesn't know me yet, why am I here? I would like to share with you guys what's one thing I did for me to be able to lose weight really fast. I was able to lose a total of 3 kilos in 3 days. That's an average of 1 kilo per day. That's a big accomplishment on my part. And I'm sure a lot of you guys would like to achieve it as well. I will be revealing it before this video ends. So please stay tuned. But before we proceed, I'd like you to understand why is it important for us that we're in check if our weight is in normal range. As we all know, there's a lot of chronic diseases out there. To name some, heart diseases, cancer, Alzheimer's, and the like, that if you're going to trace it down, it all boils down from one of the major factors, which is obesity or overweight. And I don't want you guys to get it or any of those diseases. Prevention is always better than cure. It's always easy to prevent a disease to incur than curing it out. It allows us to saves time, money, effort. It allows us to do what we'd like to do consistently. It helps us stay young, fit, and healthy. That, of course, everybody would like to have or get. I also would like to share with you what benefits you'd be getting from the food supplement. Yes, it's food supplement, food intake supplement. It supplies the necessary vitamins, minerals that we're not at times getting from the food we eat. There are three powerful ingredients: L-carnitine tartrate, that is responsible for the burning of fats, leading to the generation of energy; green tea extract, that is responsible for the um, weight loss, leading to the burning of more calories; and the Yersinia cambogia, that is responsible for the suppression of appetite, making you eat less. So there, I am going to reveal to you what that food supplement is, and that is Fast Stream from Royale. From the name of the food supplement itself implies fast stream. It really trims down your weight really fast. How to take it? For best results, you have to take one capsule 30 minutes before the meal. And of course, I combined it with diet and exercise, yoga hit in particular. I would love to have a chat with you at Hazel Apari or email with you at hazelapari@gmail.com for queries or other information you'd like to get from me. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. Bye for now. See you.